Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about the inequalities of the two triangles. So let's start. We have here this question to talk about the last lesson. So if he asks me to write the angles from the smallest to the largest, and I have here this triangle with three different lengths. So here this length it's what 6 here. So it's here to the opposite. It looks to the opposite here angle, which is x. So x will be the smallest angle, right? Then I have here 9. Yeah, it's here opposite to what? It's opposite to angle Z. So the second one will come angle Z. Then I have here, it's here 11 opposite to angle Y. So angle Y will be the largest angle. Okay, let's start our lesson now. Today we're going to talk about the inequalities in two triangle, the hinge theorem. What about this one? I have here, it's given AB side of a triangle, it's congruent to another side of the other triangle. We have here the dash sign, so they are congruent. And I have also AC is congruent to DF. AC congruent to DF, right? And can you notice here that the included angle between them, they are not congruent. Okay, one angle is greater than the other angle. A angle is greater than D angle. So I conclude what here? I conclude that BC side is longer than EF side. That's what I will conclude. Okay, BC will be longer than EF. Okay, guys? Okay, greater than. What about here the converse of the theorem? So I have here HJ is congruent to LM, and I have here JG is congruent to MK. Okay, and he gives me the given is what? GH segment is greater than KL segment. I conclude what? I conclude now the included in between angles, okay? Angle J is greater than angle what, guys? Angle M. Let's see this exercise. He will ask you here compare measure of angle BAC and measure of angle DAC. BAC, guys, I have to know which angle he's talking about. This one. And angle what else? DAC. DAC and this angle. Can you see it? Okay. He wants me to compare between them. Okay, so I have to do what now? Compare the side length in triangle ABC and in triangle ADC. Okay, guys, so I have here what? Two triangles as you see. Let's shade them. I have here this triangle and the other triangle here. Okay, and the other triangle, guys. Okay, this one. So let's see together the sides here. I have here, guys, AB. Can you see this side is congruent to what? AD. They are congruent. Each one is 4. What about AC? We have two triangles. Please concentrate on this. Two triangles, the blue triangle and the purple triangle. Okay, and we have what? Common side. AC, it's a common side. So this means that the side AC is common. It's what? It's the same, equal. It means they are equal. Okay, guys, equal sides in the two triangles. If I separate, please concentrate in this. If I separate the two triangles here apart, so the side here, the in between AC is equal. Okay, okay. Then I have what? Then I have DC. DC, can you see this one? DC, yes, DC is what? DC is less than BC. Or in other words, BC, this BC, which is 7, greater than DC, which is 6. Okay, so what should I conclude from all of this? Okay, we have here the information here. So it's now obvious that we have measure of angle. We have, guys, this is 7 and this is 6. Okay, and this 4 and this what 4. So we have to conclude that, and can you see this, guys? We have this 4 and this 4, and we have this the same also. Okay, I will put here 2 dashes. Okay, so we have to conclude what, guys? Let's see together. Okay, let's here draw this. Okay, conclude what here, guys? That BAC now, BAC, this one, BAC, is what, guys? Is greater than DAC, than this one. Why again? Let's see. Okay, guys, because here, as you see, I want to mark, because here, as you see, BAC, this angle is opposite to the longer segment, and angle DAC, this angle, okay, it's opposite to the smaller segment. So I have here this angle will be what will be greater, and this is by Hinge theorem. Let's see this example. Compare EF and FG. He gives me a triangle and an angle in that triangle, and he asks you to compare between EF segment, guys, and FG, which is longer or which is shorter. Let's see together. Guys, remember when we have here 82, so what should this be? Guys, remember? Yeah, I can hear you. 180 minus 82 gives you 98. This would be angle FHG. FHG, okay? So I have here, it's 98 degrees. Let's clear. So I will write here, guys. Here I will write 98 degrees. Okay, then I have here another information given. Of course, you have 2 information yet you didn't use. Here, EH congruent to HG. Write it. EH congruent to HG or GH, the same. You have also, guys, remember this, please, and don't forget it ever. Common side, common side. So they are equal. If we have 2 separate triangles, if we have again, I will repeat it again and again. If we have 2 separate triangles, so the side between them is common. The side between them, guys, is common here. So I say to myself, FH in triangle EFH, FH in triangle EFH, in the pink triangle, is congruent to the same FH, guys, in the purple triangle. This is in the purple triangle. I will write it like this to make sure you understand it. Okay, and this one in the pink triangle. Okay, this is important, guys. And I have what else, guys? And I have another information that I got by myself, that we have here this angle which is 98 degree and is called what? EHG. Angle EHG is what? EHG is greater than, okay, EHG is greater than what? EHG here, great, it's not E, I can't, okay, this is F, it's written F. Let's clear to see what we are talking about. Okay, again, I want to see the angle. It's here, E, yes, F, it's not E. FHG, this angle FHG, it's 98 degree, greater than FHE, greater than FHE. Can you see this, guys? FHG 82. Okay, now we have the 3 information. Okay, what should I conclude from this? Okay, let's here draw here also the 98 degree. Okay, So I conclude what? It's easy now. This one, okay, it's here opposite to, huh? Who can tell me? FG, and this one opposite to EF. So, which is greater, guys? He asks me to compare between EF and FG. So if I started by writing EF, so this EF, who can tell me, is less than, bravo, FG by Hinge theorem. Thank you. Okay, guys, we have here find the range, okay, of values for K. Let's see, we have here this diagram, okay, and we're gonna here solve for that. Let's start. I have here step 1, compare the side length of MLN and PLN. Okay, guys, why? Why did you choose those? Because we have here what? Value of K. Value of K, it's here written in an expression. This expression here, it's an angle. It represent here what, guys? Angle, which is